Piggyback adapters are one of the smallest items in the STEDI range with the biggest impact on installations. It's an effective solution to wiring STEDI lights, and it's not rocket science. So let's get into it. Legally, any forward-facing light has to be triggered by the high beam signal. Historically, you had to do this manually. This required testing wires, cutting wires, rewiring wires, and testing wires all over again. Lights in older vehicles were easy to do, but with modern tech, this makes the wires harder to navigate and more complex. That's where our piggyback adapters come in. No testing, no cutting, no rewiring, just plug and play. STEDI piggyback adapters plug in between the vehicle harness and the vehicle headlights, picking up the high beam signal for your lights to turn on. Only when you turn on your high beams, you've got the option to turn on your lights. When you turn off your high beams, the lights will turn off also. Just remember, your forward-facing lights will not function unless your high beams are on. We've got a large selection of piggyback adapters available for heaps of makes and models, but if you can't find one, make sure you contact your nearest stockist or installer. If you need any more information, visit our website and make sure you follow us on all of our socials.